Family, hey everybody, Tanya here. It's April 1st, and look how much we accomplished. I'm going to show you how much was accomplished in 30 days. We got all of our collards and cabbages potted up outside in the cage, and I'm about to move them in a few days. I'm about to move them over at the greenhouse because hubby wants to put some crops in the actual raised bed. So we're going to do that. Look at these. Look at these Napa cabbages. You see how they're just fluting up there? I think I need to harvest some of these. Like in some places they tie them up so that they'll have a tight, a tight head or whatever. But I'm going to let them just bloom up like this. Keep it going. Okay, so the collards are doing well. It's like 57 degrees. We had a cool snap. Okay, and I gotta watch out for the snakes. Snake season. Okay, garlic's doing well. I bought some pepper plants. Got to pot them up. I'm gonna keep them here for now because they've grown almost a foot. No, they've grown pretty much since a week. Okay, yes, I'm liking my cabbage. Let's see. I'm trying to see, is that a moth or is that some little from the nuts that the squirrels knocked down? Yeah. So yeah, everybody's looking good. I potted these over here, but these are going to have to move. I'm putting the vegetables over here. Hubby got a cage, and then we got a second cage coming. So I'm going to put the cabbages and stuff in here. Here's some sage and some oregano, garlic oregano. And over there, that's a little volunteer plant. Oh, it's breezy out here. Yeah, it's my birthday week, and I call this is birthday bash week. This is the week where I do anything I want to do and just play it by ear. Normally, I donate a lot of stuff to Goodwill or the Hope House. So I got a bag and a few boxes filled full of stuff. So I got to get that stuff taped up and scheduled for that. And then I clean the house, but then now it's not clean like I like it. So I'm not going to really clean this week because I just can't. I can't. Okay, over here we potted the cucumbers. It's kind of too cool for them. The cucumbers and the tomato plants. And I got these little trellis pots here from Lidl. And they were like $12.99, I think, each. So I got 8 of them. I went one day, I got 4 of them. And then I went back like 3 days later. They still had just another 4 left. So I got the last 4 that they had in that store. Maybe they had more in the back. And so look at the tomatoes. They're already flowering. And then some more oregano. Hubby took my oregano and put it over here. And then he has some strawberries. All right, so we're checking everything out. I love those pots. And then there's also, like, you can keep adding, like here, you can keep, get off of me, got a bug on me. Then we have 2 more levels. I can keep adding 2 more levels to this as the plant grows. But they've already grown through the right spots already. All right, that's cucumbers, tomatoes. Still got our garlic over here. I cut some of that down and had it yesterday. That stuff was so good. What that cat doing back there? But like real garlic is like strong, so it's great in a stir fry. So what I'm going to do tomorrow, I water the plants. I'm going to harvest some of these bigger leaves on the Napa cabbage. Get some of that those garlic scapes. I'd rather have the garlic scapes than the bulbs. And I have some Brussels sprouts and squash and all of that. Okay, and these haven't been planted yet. I've just stuck them out here. All right, so let's see what's going on in the greenhouse. I've been harvesting my lettuces every day and still have plenty. It has pollen on these. Oh, you guys don't want to see me. I've been out here so much. My allergies have kicked up. My eye is swollen. And I've been taking Benadryl and stuff. And I can't, when I get so drowsy. I can't do much. Like, I don't like to drive or anything. So here, I've been cutting off my little baby lettuces. It's true, you cut and these things come again. Like the next day, they were like rejuvenated. Same thing over here. Been cutting this. I think I already have enough. Hubby and I, I put it in a container. We just take it out. So I don't think I have to harvest anything today. Everything's looking good, all right? So looking good. What happened here? She's dying off. What happened? Yeah, so you need. Yeah, that's what you do. Come out, check. I come out, check every day. What's going on? All right, over here. All right. This one's good. Nothing going on over here. All right. Setting up the grow table. You get all these, these little containers you get from Dollar Tree. Just set them up. I've just been throwing. I'm going to have to switch this around. Put my starts in here in the green, in the flat container, and then put my tools in there. Or in my bag. Still haven't tackled this yet. I hate clutter. I hate filth. I hate dirt. I had a cleaning company, so this bothers me. But, I can't do everything. I'm trying to clean up inside, outside, cook. So, and I'm retired. So why am I doing all this stuff? It's because I like it. And have you ever heard that saying, like what Martha Stewart said? She says, if you want to be happy for a year, get married. If you want to be happy for 10 years, get a dog. And if you want to be happy for life, grow a garden. And it's like, and I totally agree. This is one of the most satisfying things I've ever done. And I kept stopping because we live around so much wildlife. I couldn't protect the plants, everything we tried. We never got a greenhouse until last year. We tried different screens and stuff, but this is working better. Oh, and I also got a someone in my comments said, well, why aren't I doing gift baskets anymore? And it's like I enjoyed it. When I had a business, I did gift baskets. That's what it started from. I did, like I created gift baskets with cookies and cakes or, plants and stuff like that for my clients. If I knew it was their birthday or, or during the holidays, to thank them for their business, I would create gift baskets. So that's how it started. So, but now that I'm not doing that anymore, I finally got rid of all of my inventory. I sold it, I donated it, I gave some away. So a lot of that inventory. And I get more satisfaction out of growing. Like I do get plant gifts. You can take a plant and I could sell that faster. And men feel more comfortable buying a plant or flowers than a lot of other items. So I feel I'm a creator, I'm a grower. I feel better, doing that than just reselling old merchandise. I did it, for a little while, but really most of my gifting was like really targeted towards, clients, family, and friends, really not out for the general public. And but you can definitely gift, whatever you grow as well. So I finally loaded up my lettuce tower. All right, so she's doing good. Been harvesting off of that. Here's some of the young seedlings. We're going to see how they do. They've perked up too. These over here, been harvesting. They're skinny because I've been harvesting, and that's how you do. That's how you get a lot out of your plants. Like when they get big like this, I harvest them. Tomorrow they'll be harvested. This one's growing very slow. Maybe it was very young. Okay, I think these hubby are growing eggplant. He never puts labels on his stuff. That's why I never know what he's doing. He did put some labels on these. Yeah, I cut those garlic scapes off, and they were so good. All right, so these are looking good. My cucumbers are perking up. I got some oregano perking up. I'm growing, and I repotted these pots here. So I put some marigolds in here and some cherry tomatoes. So we're going to see how that goes. And it is already 70 degrees here in the greenhouse. All right, so that's it. So no harvesting today. And this is all I'm going to do on the first day of April. Oh, good, beautiful sunny day. Okay, guys, just wanted to share that with you. Just wanted you to know how much you can do in 30 days. I'm in Zone 8A. I'm in Georgia. And, we can get warm, so we have to get started. Like March 1st, I had my plants. And these are them. March 1st, I had them about 2.5 weeks. They just stayed in their pots from the store. It's been almost a week and a half. Got them potted up. They're out here, and as soon as I put them out here, they're like just growing exponentially. All right. I think I'm gonna harvest some of that cabbage. No, the cabbages, they were too pretty. They're too young. I'll let them live. I'll let them grow a little bit further before I start harvesting. And then when they get to a certain size, I'll just harvest the whole head of it. Okay, so I'm sorry I sound so nasally. It's pollen season here in Georgia. Pollen's everywhere, and I'm always out here. So thank you guys so much. I appreciate you stopping by. Just want to share with you what's going on and encourage you that it's not too late to start a container garden, a backyard garden, a greenhouse garden, okay? Just you can start with 2 or 3 plants. I always say get 2 because something may happen to one. 2 collards, 2 cabbages, 2 cucumbers, 2 peppers, 2 tomato plants, and get some nice. I've made 5-gallon containers, like you can get from Home Depot. They're like $2.44, or whatever you can afford. Get some soil, get started. Honey, the season is just beginning. So I want all of my family to be as self-sufficient as possible. Because just running out into my garden, cutting me some lettuce, hubby and I just been eating well and haven't been having to run out and replenish it and going to the store, and the stuff doesn't taste like much. Okay, guys, so thanks so much. See you in my next video. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe and join the Tastemakers tribe. And hit that bell notification so you will be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. Happy April 1st. See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.